Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we are getting into Lavish Bath Box. Now, I don't know how much this costs. It'll be on the screen, but you guys know that I love this bath box. This is one of my favorites. So let's get into it. And if you have missed the last couple of videos, yes, I chopped my hair off. I just really needed to get rid of the dead ends. Yes, it is pretty short. I probably would have gone a little bit shorter had I gone to get it professionally done, and also if I didn't have to have extensions put in it next month, I probably would have gone just a little bit shorter, but I got off just enough to where there wasn't like a bunch of little straggly hairs anymore. So I open it up and this is what I see. Ooh, this is June's box. That's late. I mean, I have been sitting on it for a couple of days, but that's really late. June. Wow. Smells really good though. June. I'm shocked. June. Oh, it smells so good though. Okay, so of course this one doesn't come with the prices. It does tell you what everything is, but again, everything is curated specifically for this box, so they don't advertise the prices. The first thing I am pulling out is a Lake Days foaming scrub. Oh, that smells so good. It's heavenly. Oh, and I don't know if you guys noticed, those fake nails, I don't remember what box I got them in. Maybe it was FabFitFun. I don't remember. Anyway, I tried just 5 of them. I didn't do the other hand. I just wanted to see if I could, and looking at them, I did an okay job, but they're looking kind of ragged. So there is that. Just in case you were wondering why one hand was done and the other one wasn't, just because I wanted to try this little sticker things to see if I liked them, and they're okay. I think I will redo them all for Vegas, but overall, they're not my thing. It's too hard to do, for me anyway. The next thing I am pulling out is a Savage Fish Suds Fish and Hole Jellyfish Jiggler. It's interesting. That's very interesting. It smells good. It looks like that, so it's just, I'm assuming it's just soap. I don't understand why that is like that. I feel like it was a safety seal gone wrong. It's weird, but it smells okay. So it's clean and cool off with this jiggly soap after a long day in the hot sun. Try storing it in the refrigerator before use. Scented in salted air, cypress, and driftwood. So there you go. There is that. The next thing I am pulling out, oh, that's so cute. It is a bubble bar and it is a little mushroom. That's cute. And then the next thing I am pulling out is just a bath bomb, and it's Campsite Cruisin'. That's cute. Oh, that smells so good. It actually smells like marshmallows and firewood. Marshmallows and firewood. Oh, that smells so good. The next thing I am pulling out is another bubble bar. Oh no, luxury bath bomb by Bubble. And that smells good too. I think that's supposed to be a fish. I'm not entirely sure. I think that's the eye, and then this is the fin and stuff. But it smells good, so that's cool. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a shower burst. Ooh, I love shower bombs. And so basically you just put it in the shower and the steam like hits it and it comes up. And I really like the ones that are like bergamot and eucalyptus in the wintertime. Absolutely love those. But this is a Rise and Shine, and it's tangerine and mint. Oh, I bet that. I can't smell it through the packaging, but I bet that would be absolutely fabulous. All right, I'm not mad at it. That was lavish, you guys. Wow, that was a super short video. that was Lavish for the month of June, apparently. Oh yeah, those are the codes if you guys want to use the codes for anything, any of these companies or whatever. There they are. Just pause the screen. But I'm not mad at it. I love this box. And believe it or not, I was actually running out of bath bombs. I have a lot of bubble bars that I need to get rid of, but I'm running out of bath bombs, so I'm happy for this box. Okay, I think I am going to stop there. I have other boxes that I need to open, and I just not feeling it right now, so do it another day. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I lost my words for a minute. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope this took you out of your space for a little bit today. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day. Bye.